Hello, so this particular video is for a particular subscriber who just started having problems with his starter after a friend helped him go ahead and wash the bike. He was just using a garden hose, not a pressure washer, so guys, be careful. Every once in a while some water gets somewhere you don't want it to. So here's the quick dirty check on the starter relay and potentially the starter itself. Okay, so your relay for the starter is up here. Apparently that sucker just slides right up. So it's got 3 wires here and 2 fuses, 2 30 amps from the looks. So what you need to do is, what I would be looking for is when you have the starter button depressed, both of these you should get 12 volt from. So what you want to do is take somewhere in the frame, such as over here, put your negative on there and put your positive over here on these two and see if you get voltage. The starter is, let's say it's under this cover. Yeah, so your starter is right here. On the other side of it's where your power should be coming in, and if you trace that wire, it's coming off the back. It should go all the way up to your starter relay up here. So if you do get, if you're missing the 12 volt on both of those 2 main lugs to the left of my fake little meter picture here, then you want to check for coil resistance. You want it about somewhere around 80 ohms. If you are getting the coil resistance with this plug unplugged, you're checking directly on the relay at those 2 points, then more likely than not it's going to be a safety interlock, assuming that you have the 12 volt on the 2 primary lugs, and that's a pain, and I'll list the interlocks in a second. So if you've went ahead and you've tested everything else, it's going to be one of your safety interlocks more likely than not. You have the side stand, you have the kill switch, and you have the neutral switch. Check all of these, make sure you're A in neutral, B, your kill switch is not currently in the killed position, and that B, your side stand switch, that's actually registering. I was just thinking about this. It's also possible that you may have a clutch switch, which will be located right behind your clutch lever. If that's faulty and the neutral safety switch isn't working, then you may end up in a situation where it won't allow you to start.